Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2023 Wave 4. We have Chase Elliott's Hooters 40th Anniversary Next Gen car. And on the back you get other cars like Kyle Busch's Levino car, Dale Jr.'s Bass Pro Shops car, and Zane Smith's championship truck. And be on the lookout for his chase piece too, which also includes his chase piece. Yeah. Let's get Chase Elliott out of the box. So here we have the number 9. The base is number 9. Hooters. Of course, you have the owl with the 2 O's to make it in his eyes. His name. And also with this orange line with an outline of a lightish blue. A lightish blue, actually. Yeah. Let me lower the screen really quick. So here we have his car. So Chase Elliott. So here we have the orange number 9 with a blue outline. The car is mostly black and orange and blue. Obviously, the orange and part of the blue a little, but mostly black. But when you see him in the Chicago street course, you notice that there's this white on top, and that's because of the backup car. That was his backup. So on the hood, you still got the Hooters logo, of course the owl, but also it says you got the 40th anniversary. In fact, this is actually his Night Owl Hooters car. Yeah, sorry to mention that, but this is his Night Owl Hooters car. You have the 75th anniversary logo, Coca-Cola, which he is now part of the Coca-Cola family, Napa, Valvoline, and on the back it says, "Follow me to Hooters." Yeah, and that's why, sorry. You got Napa Auto Parts. And also on the front of the hood, you got this nice blue outline, which then leads to this orange, and then the orange then follows as the line fades away. And also on top of the hood here, you got a nice blue outline of the windows and a little bit of the orange near the end. I'll give you a nice 360 view of the car. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.